In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when your Instagram Reels icon is not showing up in your profile, basically meaning you don't have Instagram Reels on your Instagram profile. So the first thing to make sure of is that you're running the latest version of Instagram. So if you're on an Android, you head to the Google Play Store. And if you're on an iPhone, you head to the Apple App Store. And in the search bar, you just want to search for Instagram in the App Store of your device. Now, as you can see, there is an update for me. So if I didn't have the Instagram Reels feature, this update could give me that update because Instagram doesn't roll out Reels to every single country at the same time. So it might be slowly being rolled out to you. And if you go ahead and update, you have a good chance of getting the Instagram Reels feature, especially now that it's April of 2021. That's the first thing that you can try and do. And then the second thing that you can try and do is to clear the data of your Instagram app. So go to the settings app on your phone. I'm on an Android device, so I go to settings and then I go to apps and then I tap on apps at the top. But if you're on an iPhone, you want to tap on settings, then general, then iPhone storage, then search up Instagram, and then you want to offload the app. So in my case, I want to go to search for Instagram. There it is. I tap on it and then I want to tap on storage. And then from here, I want to tap on clear data. Now I'm not going to tap on that because that's going to log me out, but you would go ahead and do that and that will automatically clear the cache as well. That can sometimes rectify the problem. And then the next thing that you can try and do if that didn't work is you can go back into Instagram and then you can go ahead and tap on your profile icon. And what we're going to do now is report a problem. So tap on the 3 horizontal stripes at the top right of the page. Then you want to tap on settings. For me, it's at the bottom. Just find settings wherever it is on your phone. And then from here, we want to tap on help. And then right at the top, it says report a problem. So I'm just going to tap on report a problem at the bottom. And then you want to briefly explain what your problem is. So you can say you updated your app to the latest version of Instagram, you cleared your data or you cleared your cache and you offloaded the app. That didn't work. And then you can also include screenshots either from your gallery or you can take a screenshot and then you can go ahead and submit that and just give them a couple of days to get back to you and they could help you get the problem. But if, for example, the Instagram Reels hasn't been rolled out to your country yet, then unfortunately it's just a waiting game. You will just have to wait it out. But the last thing that you can try and do is to uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it. But you basically did that when you offloaded the app, but not on an Android device. It didn't uninstall the app if you cleared the data and the cache on an Android device. So I hope these solutions helped you out today. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.